Close your eyes for just a moment and imagine the future arriving not quietly, but with a heartbeat. That's exactly how the 2026-27 Ferrari F80 enters your world. Not as a car, not even as a hypercar, but as a statement. You don't walk toward the F80, it pulls you in. From a distance, its silhouette already feels alive, like a predator crouched low, waiting for permission to run. The body is sculpted with purpose, every crease carved by airflow, every curve whispering speed. The front end sits impossibly low, with razor-sharp LED eyes cutting through the air like blades. The carbon fiber hood channels wind like water through a canyon, while massive air intakes breathe deeply, preparing for what's coming next. Step closer and the details begin to speak. The paint doesn't just shine, it glows. Under sunlight, it looks liquid. At night, streetlights slide across the body like reflections on glass. The rear is pure drama, an aggressive diffuser, active aerodynamics, and a light bar that stretches across like a glowing signature. Quad exhaust outlets sit proudly, hinting at the violence waiting beneath. This isn't designed for beauty alone. This is designed for domination. Now open the door. It swings upward with quiet confidence, revealing an interior that feels more like a fighter jet cockpit than a luxury car. You lower yourself into the carbon bucket seat, wrapped in Alcantara and fine Italian leather, and instantly everything feels tighter, more focused. The steering wheel is compact and purposeful, packed with tactile controls, no distractions, no unnecessary buttons, just performance at your fingertips. Your hands rest on perfectly stitched leather, cool to the touch, while carbon fiber surrounds you like armor. In front of you, a digital display comes alive, glowing softly, ready to tell you everything the car feels. You breathe in. The cabin smells like craftsmanship, leather, metal, and ambition. Ferrari hasn't built this interior to comfort you. They've built it to connect you. Every surface feels intentional. The dashboard flows forward, wrapping around the driver. The center console rises like a spine, separating pilot from passenger. Even the pedals feel engineered, machined from aluminum, waiting for your command. Press the start button, and suddenly, the world changes. The engine awakens with a sharp bark, followed by a deep mechanical growl that vibrates through your chest. This is Ferrari's next-generation hybrid V8 powertrain, producing over 1,000 horsepower and a symphony of combustion and electricity working in perfect harmony. It doesn't idle. It pulses. You ease onto the accelerator, and the F80 moves forward with a smoothness that feels unreal. In electric mode, it glides silently through city streets, turning heads without making a sound. But the moment you ask for more, the gasoline engine joins the conversation, and when it does, everything explodes. The acceleration hits like gravity reversed. Your spine presses into the seat. The scenery blurs. 0 to 60 disappears in under 2 seconds, and the F80 keeps pulling, harder and harder, like it's chasing the horizon. Each gear change snaps through the transmission with surgical precision. The steering feels telepathic. You think about turning and the car responds instantly. The suspension reads the road like a living organism, adapting in real time, keeping you planted through every corner. This isn't just fast. This is emotional speed. You hear the turbochargers breathe. You feel the electric motors assist on exit. The exhaust roars behind you, echoing off buildings, tunnels, mountains, and wherever you dare to take it. And yet, when you slow down, the F80 becomes calm again, refined, civilized, cruising at night. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin. The digital cluster glows like a cockpit in orbit. Outside, neon reflections dance across the hood. People stop, phones come out, conversations pause. Because everyone knows, this is something special. Ferrari engineered the F80 not just to be powerful but intelligent. Active aerodynamics adjust on the fly. Torque vectoring keeps the car balanced. Advanced driver assistance systems quietly watch your back while letting you feel fully in control. It's a machine that respects you, but demands respect in return. And then there's the price. The 2026-27 Ferrari F80 is expected to start around $3.5 million, depending on configuration and market. But let's be honest, you're not just buying a car, you're buying access to Ferrari's future. You're buying heritage, innovation, and exclusivity wrapped in carbon fiber. You're buying something most people will only ever see on screens. This is the kind of car that doesn't sit in traffic. It escapes it. The kind of car that turns every drive into a memory, every tunnel into a concert hall, every parking spot into a stage. The Ferrari F80 isn't built for everyone. It's built for those who understand that driving isn't just transportation. It's emotion. It's connection. It's art in motion. So when you finally step out, heart still racing, ears ringing softly from the echo of horsepower, you realize something. You didn't just test drive the F80. You experienced it. And once you do, ordinary cars will never feel the same again. This is Ferrari. This is the F80. And this is the future of speed.